A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are having a great day, and I'm Subbu and welcome to my YouTube channel. We are exploring HD.
We request you subscribe to our channel, press the bell notification icon to get latest upcoming videos notification on your phone.
So today is a holiday in Indonesia. Today is a Labour's Day, and along with that I belongs to a state of Maharashtra, which is in India. So today is a Maharashtra Din. So तुम्हा सर्वांना महाराष्ट्र दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. And today is Buddha Purnima also. I wish you a very happy Buddha Purnima to all of you. And today's vlog is not too much because it's a holiday and I have some work at my shop, so I came to fix that all work. Today's vlog will be for a cinematic sequence. I have edited one small cinematic sequence, which is a beautiful monument in Indonesia. I think so it was in Kediri. When we enter into Kediri is a city in Indonesia. So when we enter into that city, there is one monument. So it's a beautiful monument. I make a cinematic sequence. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell notification icon to get latest more upcoming videos notification on your phone. And this is my shop. And this is my desk. This laptop is for uploading and to get online shopping email notification, and this is my main working laptop on which I edit videos, and this is a small piece for entertainment. So this is my desk. These are the cloth collections which we have. So these are some Indian clothes imported from India. So these are some Indian cloth collection. So this is how my shop in Indonesia. So today's shop is closed. So without wasting a time, let's have a look on that cinematic sequence.
We're gonna have to go upstairs.
We have our Facebook page and Instagram page, so please go and visit our Facebook and Instagram page. Links are in the description and IDs are flashing on the screen. I hope you enjoyed watching this cinematic sequence. Once again, wish you a very happy Maharashtra Din to all of you. Wish you a very happy Buddha Purnima. That's all we have from today's video. Till then, stay aware, stay conscious and stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
We request you subscribe to our channel, press the bell notification icon to get latest upcoming videos notification on your phone.